digital finishers are being asked to do more. Faster, wider, longer, deeper. From cutting and trimming card, foam board, coroplast, styrene, and rubber to heavy-duty routing of aluminum, acrylic, and woods. Do more and do it better. Introducing Trident, the best-in-class router knife combination, now available from Axyz International. Custom configured for your exact needs, robust, high quality, and long-lasting. The complete solution, production ready, and simply faster. The Axyz Trident is 300% faster in knife processing, resulting in up to 50% throughput increase and a 12% smaller footprint over our previous systems. With a wide range of cutting tool options, including knife blades up to 4 3/4 inches and a standard gantry clearance of 6 inches, versatility is guaranteed. Trident benefits from the same robust Axyz table design used in over 5,000 CNC systems around the world. Designed and built in Canada, using the best technology in the world. Spindles up to 10 horsepower and integrated servos contribute to lightning-fast performance for processing many types of materials. Factory direct sales and service through your local Axyz office. Contact us now and revolutionize your business.